you doing?
Working on the Cadillac.
Oh, yeah?
Again.
What do you mean again? What's going on?
I'm gonna do an oil change. It's got really thin oil.
It's probably old.
And it's a little low.
Make it higher.
And to make the car higher. Get it?
Hey. Yeah, I'll go get your oil for you.
Yeah, it should be over there.
Alright, you got Z-Rod, AMSOIL.
Oh, man.
No. Woo, we gotta clean that bank. Look at this mess. Here.
I didn't put the oil yet.
Just keep it with you. What do you need, a
That'd
light?
be like a cigar, but it's too big. Alright, good.
I have allergies today.
Looks like they did a repair on the transmission line. They got some raised. Some of the lines raised. Did you know in 1958, which is the year of this Cadillac, almost every American car company started with 4 round headlights instead of 2? Cool, huh? As soon as you pull the drain plug off, don't ever just like walk away, because the oil coming out retracts. It goes back and it's going to miss the oil pan and it'll go all over the floor. So stay with it. See how it's retracting? We got to move the oil pan back.
How's it looking, Geronimo?
Good.
That's it? Keep the conversation going.
What am I going to say? The oil is coming out really slow, but surely. What am I going to say?
Surely.
Not much oil in this thing at all. Really? Not that much oil?
Yo, while you're there,
Not
check
that
the
much.
catalytic converter. Does it look rusty? Do we need to switch something on it?
Well, I don't know. The catalytic converter looks pretty good.
There was a guy that when we redid this car, this car was missing all 4 hubcaps. Somebody must have ripped them off or something like that. So the car had no hubcaps. So I called a guy that only sold hubcaps, and I picked up the phone and I shoved it into my ear and I says, "Do you have 58 Cadillac hubcaps?" Because he had some kind of an ad going that he has hubcaps for every car. So I says, "Do you have one for a 58 Caddy?" He says, "Oh yeah." He's like, "Yeah, I got one." All right. Well, how do you get to your place? I got directions. Jumped in my little car. I went up there. He had 58 Cadillac hubcaps.
Did they look like them though?
No. Whoever he got those hubcaps from that he was trying to sell me must have rided a curb all day long, every day. They were all grinded up on the edge. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with this thing? It says you can have them polished. Like, really? Okay. Well, I'll see you later. Make sure I don't call you no more. Like, well, you make me come out. I had to ask him if they were grinded. I don't want them if they're grinded. Doesn't make any sense. So anyhow, so then we bought these beautiful things.
Where'd you get these? Did they make them now?
Actually, the owner of the car found them somewhere. I'm not sure where. Just because you have some doesn't mean it's any good. You done?
Yeah, I'm done. Sure can remain. That's your paycheck for today.
Come on, get all the tools out. Lower it down, big boy.
Alright, small boy.
Back in the day, when I was a kid, when I was driving, I had a 68 Camaro, big fat tires. I love fat tires. Big block 3 is 68 cubic inch.
Nope.
370?
360 cubic inch.
4. I left one little number out.
You think?
And it was like a 454, all honed out, nice, big giant engine. So, you know, we were looking for some tail. So I met this one girl, and she says, "Yeah, I'll hang out." Well, I went over and I told her, I said, I'll pick you up, go to the diner. You know, first date, where am I gonna go? I don't wanna go there. Tomorrow, go pick her up. She gets, this thing's like shaking the ground. It's got a huge cam. I was running crazy numbers with the car and all that. It's green. I'll post a picture. Geronimo! There you go. So she gets in the car and she says, why does it sound like that? It smells. It smelled like fuel, you know, the big cam, and you can smell the way the car's running. It smells great in my book. It was hard to get in. I had the bars. And
you had to
stuff
switch
like that.
on the tail light.
And I had to switch the on-off switch on the tail light. So she gets in, I'm like, she already pissed me off. Take her for a little ride. I said, take her for a little ride. You already couldn't have a conversation in the car. It was too loud. Floor mast is beautiful. I romped on it.
You dumped it.
I dumped it, yeah. I romped on the gas on this car. I scared the bobby pins right off of her head with that car. Yep, she got out and she left. This was all part of the plan. I had a lot of good stuff. All right, so you changed the oil filter, right?
Yep.
All right, let's start putting oil in.
All right.
Oh, you need a funnel, you think?
No,
Damn
you're
it.
just gonna dump it everywhere and just dump
I
it all
could
over
easily
the
get
end.
oil in it. What? I could easily get oil in
You
it.
see this car? Why would you want to take a chance?
I'm the best.
Well, why take a chance?
In the West. We be a rhinestone cowboy.
What?
Nothing.
I should do.
Hey, that lifter's quieter.
It is.
This is making a little tacking tick, 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 tick. Remember? Look at that. It's almost nothing. Let's see what you got.
I would put more.
You're fine. It's
Okay.
not supposed to be like touching the line. It's supposed to be, if it's a little less and you have an even amount of quarts, you're fine.
Right.
You know, it's supposed to be between the two lines.
And now, pause. One thing left to say.
Go put the cat back. Go put the cat back. Taking over the world.
One Cadillac at a time.